Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at our 72-inch bakery case refrigerator. Okay, this is going to be a 72-inch in length. We'll go ahead and give you overall measurements. It is going to be an all glass unit, glass on sides. You got your sliding glass doors on the back as well, and glass on top, okay, for your display. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off by giving you the overall measurements. As we mentioned, your length, you're looking at a total of 72 inches, 6 feet. For your depth, you're looking at a total of 27 inches. And the overall height, you're looking at 55 inches high. Okay, as you can see on the bottom, the unit does have wheels, doesn't come with those casters, so you can easily move it around. Already installed. Okay, now over to the back, we have our sliding doors. Okay, so we have a set of two sliding doors on the right, two sliding doors on the left. I'm going to go ahead and give you the measurements. Before that, I want to go ahead and show you the controls, which are located on the back. You have your temperature control, followed by light switch, power switch, and your plug is also located on the back. Okay, it is standard US plug. Now measurements for these doors. On the inside, you're looking at about 13 inches of the measurement for the space that you can insert your product. Now on the inside, front to the back shelf, you're looking at about 21 inches. Overall height is about 31 inches. In between each shelf, you're looking at about 9 inches. Okay, for in between each shelf. Now the length, overall length, I'm going to give you the measurement for the overall length as well. You're looking at a total of 68 inches overall length. Okay, now you have your shelves already installed. They will come with a glass, which is packaged on the inside of the case of glass. You're gonna have two pieces for each shelf. You have 3 shelves on each side, a total of 6 for this case. Okay, this unit is going to be certified by the health department, and you can locate all the specs on this unit on the back. Okay, so you have the brand, the model, the voltage, circuit diagram. All the information is going to be located on the sticker located on this unit. Compressor on the bottom as well for this refrigerator. And as I mentioned, we have a plug, and all the controls are located on the back. Okay, so this is going to be a 72-inch bakery case refrigerator. For more information on one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotusa.com. All the information regarding this unit will be on the website, including the price for this exact size. If you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.